What's the meaning of ampere? Ampere. 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 Ampere.
The ampere is the base unit of electric current in the International System of Units, SI. It is defined as the constant current that, when flowing through two parallel conductors of infinite length and negligible cross-sectional area placed 1 meter apart in a vacuum, produces a force between the conductors of 2 times 10 to the power of -7 Newton per meter of length. In simpler terms, an ampere is a measure of the amount of electric charge passing through a point in a circuit in 1 second.